My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called ELITTE87. ELITTE87 is a new ransomware attacking many Windows computers these days. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover it. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, but regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ELITTE87 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so then the ransomware encrypts files and appends this ELITTE87 extension to the file names. It also shows this ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the program, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the application will begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So please find that link in the description to this video and you will be able to know more information about some possible ways of recovering your files.